Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. When we post on Instagram, it automatically posted on Facebook. Let's open up Instagram application. Now tap on your profile in bottom. Now tap on three dots in top right corner. Now click on account center. Scroll down and click on connected experiences. Tap on it. Now click on sharing across profiles. Click here. Now select your Instagram account which is connected with Facebook. I am going to select this account. This account is connected with my Azhar Honey Facebook profile. When I share any post on Instagram, it automatically share on Facebook. You have to simply turn both these options off, your Instagram story and your Instagram post. Turn these off. Now click on your Instagram reels. You have to not allow or not now or disallow this option. If you allow this option, it will share your reels on Facebook. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.